going to look at how you can find a reference so you can send off to the General Register Office for a certificate. So this is using FreeBMD, and that stands for Births, Marriages and Deaths. So if you click on Search and Births, we're going to look for the birth certificate for Charles Edward Fisher. First, surname first, Fisher. Charles Edward. We are going to do a date range of 1850 to 1860. There are two scrolling boxes on the right hand side. First we're going to select the county, so that's Norfolk, and once we've selected that, above it gives you all the registration districts for that county. If you know, then you click in that. We're going to just click the top one, which is all districts in the county, and we're going to click on Find. So this gives us the reference so that we could send off to the GRO, the General Register Office. Tells us it was the June quarter of 1853, and Charles Edward Fisher was registered in the Depwade Civil Registration District, and it's in volume 4B 217. This is the certificate that you can get from that. You can see here on the left hand side that he was born in March 1853, so that would imply that it should be the first quarter of the year. However, he wasn't registered till April, so it's the date of registration that it is that the reference is, so it's April, so it's the second quarter of 1853. So that's why that doesn't quite make sense. So just be aware of that when you're ordering certificates. It might, if it's the end of a quarter, it might have been registered in the following quarter.